Hello everyone, Burer here from MEHDI YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your bike in a very beautiful way. So let's begin. If you're wondering why am I calling it a beautiful way, it's because you can see the dirt build up here on the exhaust, and not just here but on the swing arm too. So yeah, it's a big pile of dirt you can see. We are gonna be making it shine by this pressure washer. Now then, when it's near to your tap, you just have to take the hose out. Now you just have to take this and plug it in here. Let me loosen up the screw. Yeah, it's done.
Entire community without any water for more than 24 hours, a major inconvenience.
This. So the plug didn't have this, so you need this to plug it in the socket. And we don't have 3-pin socket here, so we're using this. Now then, when you are done with connecting the plug and connecting the hose, you're just ready to wash it up. But the thing is, you need some essentials, such as, when you're washing it with some soap, you need this. I don't know what is this called. Yeah, it helps cleaning. This is for the tires and some glitter brushes. Yeah. Considering the amount of mud which is stick to this, wait, you can see. Now if we consider that, I believe we have to rinse it thoroughly and then we could add the detergent. So yeah, that's it. We are done with the rinsing and it's already looking super good. As you can see, what I showed you previously, it's now super clean. Now we are gonna add a layer of soap to really agitate those dirt, mud, so they could get out. Now we are done with the detergent and I believe we should rinse it now. So let's do that. All the body parts are cleaned. You can see it's shining, which is very nice and very satisfying to see. So while cleaning this, now it's done. It caused me some little cut here, and apart from that, I got my fingers a bit oily, which is always a normal thing while you are cleaning the motorcycle. So yeah, now you're good to go. But if you polish this, it will turn out really great. So we're gonna do just that. Well, to polish this, I've got a few things. This is a shoe polishing brush and there is a shoe polish, right? So then we have a body polish which is gonna make it shine. So I've got this one, you can use any one you want. I'm no professional, so I can't guide you to which one you should take, but this one works for me. Make sure this thing is dry, right? Yeah. Boom. We are all dry now. Although this is not completely dry, but it still does the job, and you can still apply the polish with that much water. I'm gonna rub this and show you how it turns out. We are done with the wiping, and man oh man, does that look good. Oh come on, that shines. Nice. We can literally see ourselves. I applied some polish on the meter too, and you can see it's not very glossy. Now then everything is clean, let me show you the highlights.